wouldn't. I feel good. I knew that I wouldn't.
Hi everyone, I'm Evan Katz, CEO and co-founder of Benefizz, sparkling probiotic drink. Most people, they've heard of probiotics, but they don't know exactly what they are. Probiotics, they're the beneficial bacteria in your gut. They boost the immune system, help with digestion, and most commonly are recommended by doctors to the 80% of Americans prescribed antibiotics every year. Now, probiotics are nothing new, but over the past 15 years, clinical research into them has exploded, and doctors, scientists, they're finding efficacy in everything from treating IBS to improving behavior in kids with autism. And if you've been in Whole Foods recently, you probably noticed that doctors aren't the only ones craving probiotics. Consumers want them more than ever. Brands, supermarkets, they've taken notice, and there's now a probiotic drink section that's starting to rival craft beer. Most of the drinks in this section, they're a category of brewed beverage called kombucha. Kombucha, it's a fermented beverage, and it's in a fast-growing $650 million market. Now, people must love kombucha because it tastes great and has proven health benefits, right? Unfortunately, not so much. People describe the taste of kombucha as vinegary, and it's often swirling with clumpy particles, but people still drink it for the health benefits. But these drinks, they're far from being doctor recommended, and health claims-wise, it's kind of a wild west. One of our competitors here literally describes the mystical probiotic powers of their drink. And despite the real research coming out about how certain strains of probiotics have been proven to have great medical benefits, none of these brands are applying it yet. The industry is stuck in mysticism and hype, and consumers are starting to notice. Benefizz is changing all of that. It has the same probiotic benefits of kombucha, but it tastes closer to a light, fizzy lemonade. What's more, we're exploring using specific strains of probiotics already proven to have medical benefits in our drinks. We can go to market in 3 major channels. First, health supermarkets like Whole Foods, mass supermarkets like Kroger, and eventually high-end convenience stores. Nationwide, we see a $342 million opportunity just for our current 3 flavors. The business model is pretty standard. At scale, we can manufacture for 76 cents per bottle. We can wholesale for $2.66 per bottle. And on the shelf, Benefizz sells for around $3.75. We're currently targeting health-conscious women, 25 through 55, and next we'll market to people with specific conditions aided by probiotics, like the 80% of Americans prescribed antibiotics each year. So here's how we stack up. Benefizz has the same probiotic health benefits as kombucha and even most probiotic pills, but it's delivered in a fun, trendy drink that tastes great. And unlike kombucha or craft soda, there's no caffeine, and it has very, very low sugar, and it's the first drink on the market that's going to be specially formulated with probiotics to help treat certain conditions. Over the next 30 months, we plan to expand city by city in the Southeast and replicate our model in 8 markets to get to $1.7 million in revenue. Over the next 5 years, we'll expand nationwide, and in year 5, have $23 million in revenue with a 15% EBITDA margin. Drink giants like Pepsi, they take notice of this industry, and much like the hundreds of craft beer acquisitions that have happened in the past couple of years, health beverages are on the same path. 2 similar drink companies were recently acquired, one for $200 million by Pepsi, another for $1.7 billion. We've got a great team making this happen. I'm Evan Katz, CEO. I'm a 3-time startup founder. Steve Cantor, our founder, he's a successful local entrepreneur and a health foods enthusiast. And Mark Levine is the managing partner at a Memphis-based strategy firm. Equally important is our advisory board. Dr. Steve Threckold is a practicing partner at Threckold Infectious Disease Clinic. He's prescribing probiotics to patients every single day. He's helping us formulate our drinks, and he actually believes in this concept so much, he became our first investor. Daniel Karsavar, he's an industry-leading expert in formulating natural food products, and Chuck Malinsky has 15 years of experience at Coke. Now, we're a young company, but we've already made a lot of real progress. We have $60,000 in annual sales, and Benefizz is already sold in 45 retail locations, including Whole Foods. We've got a contract with a regional shipping partner and a contract with a drink production expert helping to position us for massive, rapid growth. The vision, it doesn't stop there, though. We plan to enter the $36 billion global probiotics market because the drink cooler isn't the only place in the supermarket that needs delicious foods with probiotic research that leverages the most up-to-date research coming from doctors and scientists. We plan to expand in this $36 billion market with healthy, delicious foods that consumers can trust to contain probiotics that are actually going to work. We're raising $350,000. This will help us replicate our business model in 8 major cities over the next 30 months and get to $1.7 million in revenue. We're also looking for connections to doctors and researchers to help us with the technical aspects of formulating our drinks. So thanks. Here's to a deliciously probiotic future, and hopefully you can stop by reception next door and try some Benefizz for yourself. Thank you.